Hey guys, it's me, Brandy, and I have something amazing that I'm going to open for you guys. I am super duper excited. This is actually my order that I got the free $100 order that I got from Copacetic for winning their, I want to say it was 10K giveaway. So I'm super excited. I'm super duper excited because I love Copacetic, number one. That's my number one. I love Copacetic. That's my number one thing I want to make sure that you guys understand, is that I love Copacetic. They're one of my favorite. They are one of my favorite indie brands. So I'm excited to open this for you guys. And I'm excited to show you what I got. So everything is super cute. I don't know if you can see inside here, but this is how they pack their orders, and there's a little note. We can't wait to see what looks you create. And I'm just tickled pink. I'm super excited. I can't wait to see what I got. All right. So look at how cute this packaging is. So I have two glossed, and so I've got this one, and this is a beautiful brick red shade. Look at how pretty that is. And it smells just fine. It doesn't smell weird or anything. It smells just like their glosses smell. And then I have, oh, and this was called Blaze. And then this one is called Unicorn Magic. And this is, of course, another gloss, because you guys know that I love gloss. But look at how pretty that is. It's beautiful. So those will be coming soon in a look near you. Or to a look near you, or whatever. All right, so I got their, whew, listen to the sounds of opening stuff. So I got their year of the, I don't remember what it was, year of the Ox Quad, I want to say. And so that's what these shades here are, is the year of the Ox Quad. And I will show you, you've got, there is Ailment, which is this one. And I am going to swatch this for you. I don't want to mess up that cute little imprint. Ooh, look at that. That is so pretty. Let's see my finger. So there's Ailment. And then we have Workaholic, which, ooh, this is cute. This is like a, you cannot see this. Oh, there you go. Look at that shift. It's like a purple to a white. Look at that. There we go. Look at, oh my goodness. I can't believe Copacetic always does an amazing job with their shadows. Always. I have yet to have a shadow where I'm like, what the heck? They're always amazing. And then we've got this purple matte, and it is called Compromise. And you know I love Copacetic's mattes as well. Just try not to dig my finger into that. Look at that. Their mattes blend out so well. They make me so happy. And then we have True Calling, which I'm pretty sure this is a flaky. So because it's a flaky, I recently learned that the best way to showcase a flaky is to use glitter glue. And honestly, I always use glitter glue with glitter or really textured shadows. So I'm gonna do that right here. See? And then I'm going to grab, ooh, this beautiful one called True Calling. And I'm just gonna grab some of the little glitter flakes. Look at that. And I'm gonna put it over top of that glue. Look at that. Oh my freaking gosh, guys. Copacetic has done it again. And then they sent me the shade that I was missing, so I couldn't swatch out the steampunk one for you guys. So because I was missing one shade. They actually sent me 2 of the same shade on accident, so no big deal. I'm actually going to put it into the giveaway. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch that one out for you guys now. So we have Sky Pirates. I'll put that right here. Ooh, that's like a deep, dark, smoky blue. And then we will do this one next, which is Sheeta. So pretty. And then next we will do this beautiful silver. It's called Titus. And that is a gorgeous silver. And then now we have this amazing gold. It's almost like a burnished gold. Look at that. Holy freaking crap. I'm getting makeup all over myself. Don't mind me, I'm getting makeup everywhere. And then I have one more to swatch for you as far as eyeshadows go. And that is the Flaky from the, I want to say it was like January's $2 shadows. I want to say it was January. I think it was like, I don't remember what it was, but whatever it was beautiful. So there you go. And now that is how you make those work. Do you see that? That's how you make those work. You use them with the glue. Who would have ever thought you just use them with the glue? The funny thing is that there's been a lot of people that have been like, well, how do you use those? And I'm like, you just use them with glitter glue. And they're like, well, if I have to use glitter glue, I'm like, well, they're special shades. Usually when you have special shades, you have to do something special to get them to work, right? Yes. Yes is the answer. So I have 2 more things to unbox for you guys. So I got 2 things that I'm so excited about. I got the garnet and the amethyst quad. And you guys already know I am an amethyst baby. I love amethyst. But look at this. This is the blush quad and blush and highlight quad. So we have, and then look at the cover of this. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. So pretty. All right. Now we have to realize that this is blush. So it's not going to hit the same. But holy fucking shit. Look at that. Oh my god. And this is a bright red. And blush doesn't need to be as pigmented as shadow. But look at how pretty. You can use these as eyeshadows too. Look at that. Look. All right, I'm gonna make you see this freaking shift. Look at this one. That's crazy. Beautiful, absolutely freaking gorgeous. And then we have the amethyst quad, which is my birthstone. And look at how beautiful this is. That is so pretty. Look at that. This is a highlighter. Look at on my finger. And then you have the purple blush, and then like the fuchsia blush. It's those 2. So we've got the purple one, and then the fuchsia one. Look at how pretty those are. Oh my gosh. And then, how am I going to do this? So the last one is a highlight, and I love Copacetic's highlight formula, by the way. I have the one from the Butterfly Kisses. The one that she did for her mom. So look at how beautiful those are. Those are freaking gorgeous. I love them. I freaking love them. Thank you so much. As always, you guys have outdone yourselves. They are beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you. So anyhow, if you have any questions, just ask me down in the comments below. Please do me a favor and follow me over on Instagram if you haven't done so already. Subscribe to my channel, because why have you not subscribed to my channel yet? I'm amazing. I bring you all this cool content. Please subscribe to my channel. And let's see, what else? Like and comment. Like the video, dislike the video if you hated it, and then also comment below, what was your favorite shade? Have you tried Copacetic before? You haven't. Why haven't you? You need to. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really, really appreciate it. I will talk to you very soon, and have a wonderful day.